Alright, so we're just getting the small little hinges attached, and I can't tell you how important it is to get yourself a set of these little screwdrivers. Now you can pick them up, I've seen them on eBay for as little as $1.50 or about $1 even, if you can find them, for a set of 6. And for that price I would probably buy 1 or 2 packets just to have as a spare, because they work so good on small tiny screws just like that one there. So little precision screwdriver, definitely a must. Alright, so we got the latches on the front all screwed on, and opens up really nicely. So obviously there is no top on it just yet, but I just wanted to make sure everything was going to clear in there. So it is coming along.